Hey y'all, it's me Azalea and you're watching my YouTube channel WayCrunchy. Today's video is a part of the This Old Shack series where my partner in love and in life, John, have bought a $20,000 fixer-upper. We have been working for months and months on this house, and the goal is that we're going to live a rent-free, mortgage-free life that's going to allow us to exist in a freer way. Today's video is going to have footage from this weekend. John was off from work. The kids were home. We had a good old time here at the old shack. And y'all, you will not believe the beautiful floor we uncovered. Y'all just going to have to watch. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Can you believe how much they covered up good stuff in this house? They just nailed it in. I mean, we are months and months into this project, right? I think this is the most exciting, dramatic uncovery that we've had. I mean, people pay a lot of money for wood floor, not laminate. This is just a beautiful wood floor under here. I'm stunned. It's gorgeous. I mean, it is gorgeous. I'm wondering if it's tucked up under this molding or just up to the edge of it. I can't either. Zizi, what's happening? What is he doing?
Get rid of this.
Get rid of it?
This one.
Are you excited to live here?
Yeah, no.
No.
A
A little bit.
Look at that.
Oh, this is going to be satisfying.
Oh. Oh. This one.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, stay back, see.
I said Dr. Bell. Puppies. Oh. Irrigation? Irrigate?
Yeah.
What happened?
Just pull the floor.
I can't believe it's so good this far over and it was all covered up.
What are you doing today?
I'm handing floor to Mama, and she's gonna stack it so we can take it to dump.
Okay.
Nothing has made as much difference as this does. Getting up the plywood and the peel and stick tile. And we've got our light fixtures and stuff. Like, nothing has made as much difference as this does. I feel like it adds like $10,000 of worth to the house to make it not look like a dump.
Hi. Hi.
You say hi?
Hi.
This has been very strenuous, hard work. Gorgeous. Amazing. I know John is tired because I just brought it up a little bit to take a look and I started sweating and getting tired. I was like, this is a job for John. Like, I totally spend more time organizing and working on this project, but when he comes in, he just powerful, forceful work. Another weekend day with the children and John. John's about to bring down a tree. I've been gardening. I've not been filming though because it is just so hot and I've just been digging and digging and planting and planting. But I'll go around and give y'all a tour in a minute. What's that man doing? So it ends up we got walnut trees back here. The groundhogs eat the walnuts. We don't eat the walnuts. We're not remotely interested in these walnuts. Groundhogs love it. As far as I'm concerned, it's just groundhog bait. And I don't want to attract more groundhogs here. I need less groundhogs here. Anyway, that's a walnut tree and we're taking her down.
Or anything?
No. John wanted to know if it was going to hit the mimosa. That is a tree I love. I'm just thrilled to have my own big mimosa tree. It's nice to have a couple trees in your yard. And now he's slaying another tree. John, do you love clearing land?
Yeah.
He really does. Veggie bed update. This one on the end that ain't been filled is mine. I'm getting to it. I'm gonna do little carrots and radishes and beets and stuff in there. This one's John's. I imagine it's gonna be full of peppers. Now, up to the side yard and the front yard. I've been going wild. I have a passion for gardening. So does John. That's why it's a priority for us to get the garden in as much as it is to get the house livable, really. Yeah. Coming up to our house, I've got my little rock garden here. I'm only putting perennials out here. I just want to plant out this whole steep hill and then let it live. Got a lily in right there. So then we have this lovely patio up to our front door. Sweeps around, and I've turned this whole thing into a garden. If you've been watching since we got this house, it started out as wasp nests. Now it's a garden. Zinnias, daisies, daffodils. I'm gonna put tomato, squash, beans. I like to mix my vegetables in with my flowers. Poppies, irises, all sorts of things going in up here. This is what I've been so busy on. Now our house has a chain link fence and a little ledge to the sidewalk facing the street. Along this chain link fence, I'm growing beans and loofahs. Look at this vine. The whole side of our yard is just like a vine canopy. Zinni, what do you have?
Got a beater. Got a beater. And Mama showed butter. Mama, look. Got a bit of messy block. Show the weave. Show the this. Show the black.
This is where you're gonna play a lot. I just want to say how much I love our house, John.
Yeah, it's kind of like.
It's got a lot of wildlife and bugs and
Rich
plants.
ecosystem.
It does. I'm excited. Y'all, this man has done cleared the forest. This man has done cleared the forest. It's looking like the 1/4 acre now. Oh my gosh, the sun is penetrating that corner. If someone were to say, hey, John, have you ever cleared an entire quarter acre before? What would you say?
I probably have.
You have not cleared an entire quarter acre of land in your past.
You don't know me.
I know you. This is your first quarter acre clearing. I definitely think you have a knack for it, though. I think you probably were clearing land in a past life with one of those sickle blades, sling blade, and a cart with an ox.
You can hand me that circular saw.
Hand you a circular saw.
In our next video, we are finally flipping light switches. Next video is lights on here at the Fixer Upper, so y'all stay tuned. Coming up in future videos, we also have our virtual housewarming party where we will be unboxing the beautiful gifts that have come from our virtual housewarming registry from you precious subscribers. Y'all have just, my cup runneth over. Y'all just warm my heart so much. I can't imagine my life without my internet family. Love you guys. See y'all next time.